Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna be making a banana bread. Now, let's get into all these ingredients. So for your banana bread, you're gonna need a whole stick of butter. You could half melt it or fully melt it. 1 cup of sugar, a half cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon each of baking powder, baking soda, and cinnamon. 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Now you're gonna begin by beating your 2 eggs. And as I've already mashed my bananas with a fork, I'm going to now add my lemon juice, add my sugar to my butter. The reason why I do it this way is because it kind of cuts out the creaming process. I discovered this before when I didn't have a hand mixer, and the sugar just like partially melts into the warm butter if you do it right out of the microwave. Now you're gonna add your baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon, and you're gonna give them a good mix to incorporate them. Now we're gonna add our vanilla to our butter and sugar mixture. We are also gonna follow that up by now combining all the wet ingredients with the dry ingredients. Now the last thing you add are your bananas, and then you are going to lightly fold and mix to incorporate everything together. When you're ready for your pre-greased baking tin. So be sure to lightly grease or butter, then flour your baking can before you add your bread mixture to it. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, please give my video a thumbs up, recommend it, and share it with your friends.